Every day you make choices. Some push you forward, others hold you back. But what if I told you the life you want is just one habit away? We all have bad habits: hitting snooze, skipping the gym, binge watching shows instead of chasing our dreams. And every time we give in, we reinforce a cycle, one that keeps us stuck. But here's the truth: you don't need motivation. You need discipline. Discipline isn't about feeling like it. It's about doing it anyway. Step 1, identify your triggers. Every habit has a trigger. Stress makes you snack. Boredom makes you scroll. Tiredness makes you lazy. If you don't know your triggers, you'll keep falling for the same traps. But if you do, you can replace a habit with something better. Discipline starts with awareness. Step 2, make it so easy you can't fail. The biggest mistake people make: they go too hard, too fast. They say, "I'll hit the gym every day," then quit after a week. The secret: start so small you can't fail. One push-up becomes 10, 10 becomes 100. The hardest part is starting. Step 3, cut out the noise. Social media, distractions, negativity, these are enemies of discipline. If your environment makes it easy to fail, you will fail. Control your environment, and you control your habits. Step 4, keep promises to yourself. Think of every decision as a vote for the person you want to become. Skipping the gym, that's a vote for the old you. Showing up, that's a vote for the new you. Every time you follow through, you build self-respect. And self-respect fuels discipline. Closing message: the harsh truth. Here's the harsh truth: no one is coming to save you. No one will do the work for you. You have two choices: keep making excuses or take control. The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret lasts forever. So, which pain do you choose? Make the choice. Start today.